in a tapestry of silken thread. We tread where angels fear to tread. In Bethlehem's embrace, love rings as we celebrate the King of Kings. A spiritual song takes flight beneath the Bethlehem star's soft light. Snow-frosted streets where ancients tread, a holy concerto by bells widespread. Hearts echo with joy and love in the gleam of Christmas aligned above. Yuletide choirs sing resilience, hold crescends in divine brilliance. Beneath the celestial canvas, tales unfold of a righteous path and a star that's bold. Silent whispers are much in the frosty air, a rhythmic story of love beyond compare. Echoing through carols, December's magic, traces of faith in the soul's glow so tragic. Chords of compassion, melodies grace, in each warm embrace, Christmas finds its base. Christmas spirits dance as bells ring, kinship's drumbeat doubt takes wing. In the spiritual concert's worth, Noel's melody serenades the earth. With reverence we attune to sacred sound, Bethlehem's concerto where hope is found. Resonating love and joy, music's light, spreading the essence of Christmas night. The night aglow, snowflakes in flight, Father Christmas in the soft moonlight. His sleigh bells jingle, a melodious cheer, singing tunes of yesteryear. From afar we journey, guided by the star, to Bethlehem's concerto, no path too far, enchanted by the symphony divine.